Good day, folks. My name is DCM and welcome back to another episode of Feel Like Fridays. It has been so long since the last time I did a Feel Like Fridays, like a proper, legit Feel Like Fridays, and today is a special one at best because I am doing trying Japanese Kit Kats. Oh yeah, I got a heap of Kit Kats when I was in Japan, so I am going to try them here, now, on camera, for you guys. I've never tried them before. I don't know what they're going to taste like. They could be crap, or they could be absolutely delicious, but I thought I would actually record my experience of trying them, because I've got heaps anyway, and I can't wait to tuck into some lovely Kit Kats. There is heaps of different flavours, and also I have one very, 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 very special flavour. It's very rare and special. Super rare, okay? Cool. Anyway, let me get the bag. Ta-da! See that? The Kit Kat chocolate bag. Chocolatey choc. So this is actually from the Kit Kat store in Japan. Like, they legit make the Kit Kats there in front of you, and then they package them up, and that is super cool. Super, super cool. Well, I think so anyway. So, I will go through each Kit Kat. I'll give it a rating out of 10, and I will, by the end of the video, probably have my favourite one. I don't know if I'm going to get through all these Kit Kats today. There's a lot in here. Yeah, there's a lot of Kit Kats in here, so maybe I'll do like part 1 and part 2. Not really sure yet. But anyway, let's move on to our first Kit Kat. Okay, this is our first Kit Kat. Can you see? I don't have any English translation. Can you see that well? Yep. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I don't have a proper English translation for this, which is really odd. Like, I'm just like, hey! So, I don't know. I think it's like strawberries, raspberries, nuts, and big difference about this one, it's only a single one. Like, see that? It's only like a single little bar. See? So it's not like a double bar. So, I don't really know what to expect. We'll call it the white chocolate with raspberry, strawberry, nutty. Yeah, that's what we'll call it, totally. Oh yeah, these might be a little bit melted because, well, obviously they've been on airplanes and stuff. Ooh, look at that. See it? It's pretty weird. I don't know if the camera's focusing very well on these, but it looks delicious. Ah. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. End the video now, because that's the winner. By far. Oh my god. That's delicious. Wow, it was like white chocolate. Yes, it had a little bit nutty taste to it. But white chocolate with, yeah, raspberries and strawberries, but it was like really, really delicate at the same time. That was delicious. Anyway, I would probably give that one like a 9 out of 10. I would give it 10 out of 10, but there might be one better, but that is a strong, strong 9. That is a really, really good Kit Kat. I love that. I want more. Why is it only one? Probably that's why. Anyway, next Kit Kat. Next Kit Kat is Shinshu Apple. Shinshu Apple? You see that? Yeah. I don't really know what to expect of this. I'm guessing like an apple flavor is what I'm expecting. It's got a cute little neat packet though. Look at that! How cool is this little packet? It's got little apples on it. I like it. I like it. Is it as good as the White Chocolate Supreme? That's what I'm calling it now. White Chocolate Supreme. I don't know. Oh! Whoa! That smells like wine. No, cider. Oh, maybe it's apple cider. Could be. This is a double bar. And it just looks like a normal Kit Kat. It doesn't look like anything different, I guess. Yeah. Wow. Again, it's like, it's a strange one actually. This is definitely different, but Still got a Kit Kat taste to it. It's just got a little bit of a cider taste to it as well. Or an apple taste, I guess. Which makes sense since it is Shinshu apple. Shinshi apple? Shinshu? Can someone tell me in the comments what it actually is called? So I'm talking with my mouth full. My mom would be freaking right now. I would actually... I don't know. It's not far from the original flavor of a Kit Kat, so I'd probably give it a 6. Mainly because it's not that unique. It does smell completely different. Other than that, not that unique. Anyway, let's move on to our next Kit Kat. Okay, next Kit Kat is Yuji Hocha. Hocha? I don't know. I'll let you guys see for yourself. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing these so badly. You see that? It's pretty cool. I think pretty much what it is... You see? Hi. Yeah, I think it's like tea. It looks like tea. Or it's burnt wood. One of the two. Either tea or burnt wood. I'm not really sure which one it is. But I guess I'm going to find out. Okay. It doesn't smell different. Ooh, it's a different color though. It's a very different color actually. Ooh, look at that. I don't know if you can, I don't know if it's going to show up well on the camera actually. But that is like a light brown. Almost like a golden brown kind of color. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. I like this one. This one's really good. I don't know what it tastes like though. Maybe... I don't know. It's a bit earthy. But it's nice. I wish I knew what it was. That is really delicious. That's up there with the white one, honestly. That's really good. It tastes like... Oh! I'm getting it now. The aftertaste is tea. Oh wow, it's definitely tea. I can... Like when you breathe in after eating something, I can definitely taste the tea. That's crazy. Wow, delicious. Very, very good. Yeah, up there, 9 out of 10. Really enjoyed that one. Really enjoyed it. Okay, next Kit Kat is not in English. Look at that. So I think this one is sweet potato, possibly. Or it might be called, I think it's sweet taro. That might not be the name of them. So don't freak at me if that's wrong, but it's like a really popular food in Japan. So, like it, or is it, oh no, wait a minute. No, wait a minute. My bad. I think this is actually bean paste. So like bean paste in Japan is really popular in their puddings. For a long history actually. So I think this is actually bean paste flavored. I'm curious. And it's, ooh. It smells really earthy. Oh wow! It's white chocolate and it's got a really cool design on it. I really hope that you can see that on the camera. Can you see that? Look at it. It's got like nice little flowers and stuff on it. That's so cool. I almost don't want to eat it. I don't want to eat it now. Ooh. I don't know. I'm gonna give this one a 6 out of 10. You don't really taste the white chocolate, but you do taste a very bean taste, a roasted kind of taste. I can't say it complements them well, especially how good the other ones were. This one's a little bit of a letdown, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, next Kit Kat is green tea Kit Kat. How cool is that packaging? That is so cool. Super cool packet. I'm not sure if it's matcha or just normal. I don't remember which one I picked up because it was quite a while ago. Oh, it feels bumpy. Oh, I wonder if this is the green ones I seen. It is! Oh, cool! Oh, it's also melted. So yeah, look, that's the green ones with a bit of a melty bit on it. That's cool. I've got a feeling this is going to taste really, really earthy. I'm going to snap it first. Here we go. Whoa, it's really gooey. Whoa! What the hell? Oh my god! I don't know whether it's because it's like melted and it's been in a bag so long, but whoa. I can't finish that. I'm gonna have to put that down here. That is not nice. I'm sorry, Japan. That flavor isn't good. That was super strong. Really, really strong, actually. I don't have much nice thing to say about that flavor. I'm sorry. I'm gonna give that like what, 3 out of 10. Yeah, that's all I have to say is a 3. That got a 3. I like food, but that was pretty disgusting. Not my cup of tea. Boom! See what I did there? Okay, next Kit Kat is Sakura and roasted soybean. Look at that. How cool. I think, can you see that? That's a cool packet. Definitely. Probably one of the cooler ones we've seen so far. Also, this is going to be the second last one of this video. I realised I've actually got a lot of Kit Kats. Like, a lot. So I've actually got enough to do a special box. Because, whoa, I'm dropping stuff. Because I actually have a really special box of Kit Kats. They were a lot more expensive and a lot cooler ones, like cooler flavors you really wouldn't expect at all. And I'm going to leave them for another video. I don't think that putting them in this video would be a very good idea. So I'm going to leave a little special video for them maybe next week. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, this is Sakura and soy roasted bean, or roasted soybean. I think this one I picked up is very melted though. So I'm going to pick up a different one. Oh. These ones are all solidified almost. Just shows what happens with the sun. Ah, I can barely get it open. Oh no, it's just gloop. Look at the gloop. I can't, it's just gloop. That's what happens when you go traveling, I suppose. I'm just gonna eat it like gloop. Yes, I like it. Yeah. It's you can taste the Sakura in it. Or Sakura, however you want to pronounce it. If you haven't tasted it before, it's quite a flowery taste. A really light taste as well. You do get the roasted bean flavor behind it. It kicks in and gives it that really like a roasted feel, as you would call it, and the white chocolate goes really well with it as well. Okay, I would probably give that one a 7. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. It was nice. Wouldn't rush back, but it was definitely nice. Okay, my last Kit Kat for this video is a very, very special Kit Kat. Now this one was exclusive to Japan. I hear you can now get it in selected stores in the UK, but not everywhere in the world, and it is very exclusive. I actually even got the more exclusive version of this, and that is the Ruby Chocolate Kit Kat. Now the Ruby Chocolate Kit Kat is a brand new flavor of chocolate, so it's Ruby chocolate. It was discovered in Japan, I believe, or Japan started making the Ruby Kit Kat chocolate bars, and they were the first country to do it, and it was the only place you could get them. Now, fair enough, in the UK, I think we started selling like small ones, like this kind of style that I've just been showing, but this is the sublime range. See that? Let's see if they can show up in the camera. Yeah, you can kind of see it there. This is a very special packaging, very expensive as well actually. Just for what you're gonna get is pretty small. If I can get it open. It comes in a very neat packaging. Super neat. Yep. A very high quality chocolate. Now, also, fun fact, the chocolate is pink. Well, look at that. Super pink. How amazing. So it's pink chocolate. Again, this was a very exclusive thing in Japan. Until, of course, this came to the UK, but I mean, you can't help that now. I think I'm going to eat half of it. I want to save the other half later, because I haven't even had my dinner yet, so, you know. Anyway, let's give it a taste. Whoa. Wow. Wow. That is amazing. I'm trying to think of a flavor, but it's hard because Ruby Kit Kats are a new flavor. It's a new flavor of chocolate. It's fruity, but subtle at the same time. Maybe it tastes a little bit like raisin. A little bit of raisin and raspberries, kind of. This is good. I would eat a whole chocolate bar like this. It's definitely unique in its own way. This is good chocolate, and it's also really soft as well. That's amazing. I just like how it's like a brand new flavor. Like, you know of milk chocolate, you know of white chocolate, you know of dark chocolate, but when somebody says to you, what does ruby chocolate taste like, and you're like, tastes like ruby? Maybe? I don't know, because you don't know, because this is it. This is the new flavor, and until you try it, then you don't know. It doesn't taste like anything I've tasted like before, because it's like a combination of tastes, I guess. But this is worthy of 10 out of 10. This is brilliant. If you can get the chance to get your hands on a Ruby Kit Kat, get it, buy it, eat it, cherish it, buy two, eat one, cherish the other one. Perfect advice, okay? So anyway guys, that is my Kit Kat roundup of this video, because I have a lot more actually. Like I said, I've got a special box and I have another special Sublime version of one. But I'm going to leave them for another day, because I don't want this video dragging on too long, and I think they deserve a video on their own as well. I hope you liked my selection of Japanese Kit Kats. Let me know in the comments below which one you would like to try, or which one you think looks the best. Don't forget to check out a trip to Japan vlogs. They're all up on the channel now, ready to watch. I'll leave them in the outro so you can just click on the first one and go for it. Actually, you know what? I'll do one better. I'll leave the whole playlist in the outro, okay? That's every single video there. You can go and watch them all. Also, another new series on the channel is The Forest. Go check that out. It's going to be a big series, I can tell already. It's pretty damn good. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like for me today. It does help me out a lot. And thank you for joining me on another episode of Feel Like Fridays. It's been a long time since the last one. And don't forget to subscribe to become part of the Feel Like family to catch up on more content over at the channel. Also, notification bell, make sure it's turned on so you know when I'm uploading and when I've gone live. Useful hint for this video is, if you can get your hands on the Ruby Chocolate Kit Kat, do it. Get it, eat it, buy two, cherish one, put one in your mouth. Anyway, cheers, whatever. Thanks, guys.